Hello guys, welcome to the new series of the easiest and the most loved language by programmer. In this series, we will learn together HTML, step by step from zero. So let's start. HTML, it stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the standard markup language for web pages. So with HTML, you can create your own website. HTML, it's really easy to learn and I'm sure you will enjoy it. HTML describes the structure of a web page and how to display the content of this web page. So, all HTML documents or all web page, we have a standard HTML document. We have a simple HTML structure that we have to respect. So, this is the structure of HTML that you have to follow each time you want to create your page. So the first thing here that I have to tell you that an HTML document is composed by tags. This is a tag, this is a tag, another tag, and another tag. We have open tags and closed tags. So we have here HTML, a tag that we open, we close this tag here. So to open tag, we just write the name of the tag. To close it, we have to write slash and after the name of the tags. We will get used to that and you will understand exactly step by step how to use that and what is that. So the first tag here, we have doc type HTML. It's the declaration define that this document is in HTML5. So there is a lot of version of HTML. We are going to use HTML5, which is the last one. After, the HTML document must start with the tag HTML. So we open the tag HTML here, we close it here by /HTML. We have here the head. So there is two basic elements of HTML document. We have head and we have the body. So the head here, we open here, we close it here, and we have the body here, we close it here. So you don't have to forget that in an HTML document we have two basic parts, the head and the body. Everything that we will write inside the head will give information about our page. Everything that we will write inside the head will not appear on the page. It's just information, like for example the title of our page, what is the size or the author of the page. This is what we call metadata. Here the body, everything that we will write here will appear on our page. So the body element defines the document's body and is a container of all the visible content. So everything here will be visible for user. We will write a lot of tags inside the body that we will learn step by step. So inside the body, we have elements. An HTML element is defined by start tag, content, and an end tag. We have here tag name, we will write content, and we will close this tag. For example here, if you want to write a header, a big header in our page, we have a special tag that we cannot change the name. If you want to write a big title, you have to write H1. This is the name of the tag. We write the content and we close our tag. For example, if you want to write a paragraph, you will write P after the content and we close our tag. We will get used to all those tags step by step. Now, let's go to the first example and see how to write a first page, HTML page, let's say. The first thing that we have to do, you have to install an editor text. You can use Notepad if you have it, but for me I will use Sublime. It's a really very good editor text that will help you, for example, to correct errors, to look for errors, or will complete the tags. If you forget, for example, to close a tag, it will close it automatically. So I advise you to use Sublime Text. This is the name, it's Sublime Text. Now the first thing, we open a new page, file, new page. The first thing, you have to register this file. So you will come here, file, save as, here, for example, example 1, and it must be .html. The extension must be .html. After registering our page, the first thing that we have to write, you will just come here, open a new tag, we write HTML, it will come automatically, we choose it, and the basic structure of the HTML will come automatically. This is a very special detail of Sublime. So if you use, for example, Notepad, you have to write all this structure by yourself, but with Sublime, it will come automatically. Now here, for the title, for example, let's write our title. First, example HTML. Just a normal text. Here we will write on the body some tags. As we said, if you want to write a big title, you will use H1. You can see here with Sublime, it will give you suggestion. For example, I wrote H, so I have to choose HTML, head or header. It's H1. You can see here, we open the tag, with the tag, it's automatically closed. Now, what I want to write on my big title, for example, first title. This is the first tag. Now, I want to write after the title a paragraph, for example. So, to write a paragraph, you have to use P tag. Here. Here, for example, I will write my first paragraph with HTML. I register, and after, how to see the result of this page, we will just go where we register our page. We have here our page. I click on it, and this is the result. So this is the result of our code. Here we have first example HTML. This is the title of my page. You can see here the title here. After we have two tags in the body, we have two sentences. We have the first one, it's first title. You can see here it's a big title because we used H1. And here we have a normal paragraph. We have my first paragraph with HTML. Now let's change, for example, let me add another paragraph. My second, for example, paragraph with HTML. I register and I have to update my page. You can see here it's very fast. I have the first title, my first paragraph with HTML, and here my second paragraph with HTML. So each time you want to do something in your page, to add something, you have to know which tag to use. We are not going to memorize this tag. You will get used to those tags by practice, so you will get used together to use those tags. I hope you understand the basic idea of the web page or HTML documents. So in next video we will start to learn together those tags and all elements of HTML. I hope you understand this lesson. Thank you so much for listening, and see you in the next video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.